Unconditional promise. Your 100% satisfaction is assured and backed by a full-service manufacturer's promise including parts and dedicated customer support. This deal includes a C-power adapter for battery-free operation. 100% touchless infrared motion sensor, no need to touch the lid. Just the motion of your hand opens the lid automatically. Perfect kitchen trash can 13-gallon holds a week's worth of trash, yet it is compact space-saving. Versatile and adaptable slim, oval design and perfect for kitchen, office, garage, lobby, store, etc. Stainless steel. This stainless steel trash can is fingerprint-proof and smudge-resistant. It has a modern, stylish design that looks great in the kitchen or office. 1-year manufacturer's warranty. 13-gallon kitchen trash can N-dash, touchless sensor lid, stainless steel N-dash, oval. Convenient and hygienic, SensorCan is the easy and clean way to dispose of trash in your home or office. Just move your hand toward the lid and the infrared sensor will open the lid automatically. The lid will close automatically when you are finished. Top reviews from the United States. Great addition to your kitchen. My mom loves this trash can. It fits her needs very well. A couple of design improvements would be nice. The wheels do not roll smoothly. You can actually tip the can over if you are trying to roll it across a smooth floor. And secondly, the rim piece designed to hold the top of the bag is just a suboptimal design. My mom has yet to figure out how to use it, and I don't blame her. For someone with arthritic hands, it's just not worth messing with. If you don't mind your trash bag showing, it's much easier.